When the hell did you get it? What's up, YouTube? Your boy Gino back again with another video. And today I just walked in the kitchen and I was just hungry. I'm like, man, what should I cook for dinner tonight? We got a chicken biscuit in here from this morning. It was 2, but now it's 1 because, well, it was trash. Come here. We got a salad from yesterday that you saw if you was, if you check out my IG story. A Gatorade, a lemon, some peppers. The rest of that ain't mine. When I said that, make sure follow me on IG, man. Follow me. GINOMTS. Alright. Point of this whole thing is, why sit here and be hungry when we could just go to the store and go buy some food? I put up a poll, 2 different polls on IG, and asked what should I make. I said fajitas, spaghetti, blackened fish, and another one that I can't remember right now. Spaghetti was a high choice. Want to make spaghetti, but Callie specializes in spaghetti, so I don't know if I'm up. I can do it too, don't get it twisted. Hey, I'm gonna use this. We're gonna break out the T6. We're gonna take this one to the store with us, test it out, see what it look like, and we're gonna come back here and make a meal. If you agree, just smash the like button. You know what I'm saying? Subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, cause we real is real over here. Let's switch cameras and let's go to Walmart. Alright guys, we're at Walmart. Bunch of veggies. Should I grab some fruits? I don't know. Hey, don't look at my hair either. I need a haircut. This Rona shit needs to stop. I don't even know if y'all can hear me or not, but it don't matter. Let's keep on shopping. These must have slapper. Got more than I originally came for, but freak it. Now let's go back to the crib and make a meal. What's up, y'all? We back from the store. I don't know if y'all can hear me. It's like, let me take this mask off. I don't know if y'all could really hear me in Walmart with my mask on, cause that shit had me sounding muffled. We about to cook, I'm gonna show what I got along here. I already pre-recorded that, so it should be right there on your screen right now. Yeah, so we're gonna make that chicken. We're gonna make the fajitas. We're gonna throw in a little rice with it. We're gonna throw in a tortilla. And yeah, we're gonna do it straight like that. Make sure you hit the like button for me. Smash that like button for me, folks. One last thing. What did y'all think about that footage from Walmart on the T6 with the 24? Liked it? Let me know. If it was trash, tell me, just throw it in the alright, whatever. Alright, let's get to this video. You guys aren't gonna be able to see me first. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm doing real quick. I got the chicken right here. Got some seasonings. Boom. Boom. Keep washing your hands too. Corona. Wash your hands. Look at that chicken. Let's take a look at it. Ooh. Now we're gonna drop the chicken in the pot, in the pan. Get it tossed up a little bit, cooking a little bit. Then we're gonna do our veggies and our rice. So I'll get back with y'all in a second. Hear that sound of the grease popping? Sounds pretty good to me. I think we're doing good. That's the chicken. I'm about to take that out and slice that. That's the veggies warming up right there. You got the rice back here. Oh, I got the oven heating up as well. So we're gonna throw in tortillas, soften them up a little bit, cook them. Then it'll be good to serve. Right there, yes sir, look at them. You know? Ladies, get you a man who can saute, who can cook. I ain't no heat up some shit. I cook, alright. We almost done. Stay tuned for the final product. Let me get a thumbnail real quick. You got your chicken, your peppers, your tortillas. You got some rice over here. Yes sir, that's about to hit. The final product. Let's hold it up. Ooh, there we go. Yes sir, chicken fajitas done by G. You know, check me out at your local stores, cause I ain't gonna be there. Alright, about to crush this, and I'll holler at y'all in the next video, because we about to cook some more.
Now this the part of the song where I start getting all of my raps off. All the pressure that they put on me, I won't back off. Nobody is getting to me, nah nigga, not at all. You niggas wanna be detective, but you more like Matlock. Wanna know